Hi everyone, and welcome to another Destinations by Del Castillo travel video. Today we are at the Amarillo Courtyard downtown, room 812, and that means we are in a corner king room. It's a little bit bigger than their typical king room, and it also has better views. So anyway, when you first walk in, there's just kind of a cute little stand here, thermostat, and then with my back to the door that I just walked in, here's kind of an overview of the room. So there is a full-length mirror right here, and then you have your little coffee bar. Underneath there is a mini fridge, and they give you all the coffee stuff. This particular room faces east and south. So here is your closet, and in it has obviously some different storage options, a luggage rack. It also has a iron and ironing board. And we've got the phone angled this way because the room is small and tall, and you're going to get a better view this way, I promise. So anyway, here is your workspace. It's got your dresser drawers and the flat screen TV, work lamp. That desk rolls out, and then you've got your corner lamp here with a neat little couch. These views are facing south in downtown Amarillo, in the old part of downtown Amarillo. And then over here you have your king size bed. Those views are facing east. Nightstands with separate bed lamps and also a little bit of storage. Off in the distance, you might be able to catch that train going by right now. It's kind of fun. So anyway, there is your east view of Amarillo. And then here is your southern view of Amarillo. That's where we just drove in on Route 66. Okay, so now my back is to that corner of the room. And here is kind of a better view, overall view of the space. And we'll walk into the bathroom here. So again, there's your coffee bar and mini fridge. What's fun about this bathroom is it's a little bit bigger and a little bit nicer than a typical standard courtyard bathroom, but the view is really cool. So anyway, here's the sink and toiletries, extra towels, toilet area view from the bathroom, which is really kind of fun. And then the tub and shower. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Again, we're at the Amarillo Courtyard downtown in a executive king corner room on the 8th floor. And feel free to leave questions or comments. We'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. And don't forget to tip your housekeeping staff daily.